So you want to get those amazing rich pinks and red colors that only Kodak Aerochrome can actually give you. But you don't want to buy the film, or you can't because it's ridiculously expensive, or you just can't even find it anywhere. So let me show you how we can do this digitally. Have a look at this, before, after, before, after. That's fantastic. So how do we do this? I'll give you a free LUT. Watch this video, I'll show you how to do it. My name is Shane, welcome back to TPG. And this is not a very simple thing to create, because it's the colors range from sort of pinks, sort of magentas, reds, and obviously it reacts differently to different tones in every image. So, and obviously it's not going to work perfectly for every image. You will have to, you can tweak it and dial it back, add more contrast, do what you like, this, that. It's not a problem. So let's just have a look at the computer here and see what we can do. So in this section, we can have a quick look here. You can see there's a whole bunch of things going on. It's not just a simple color mixer or anything like that. There's a whole lot of things that I've done to create this LUT, to give this really, really unique kind of look that can be used for portraits, street photography, landscapes, as you've seen, and everything. So let's jump to another example. And you got a woodland scene. Woodland scenes can be very dimly lit. So let's have a look how we can do this. So you just come into your adjustments, go to your color lookup, load it. If it's not loaded into your folder already, find the area where you've saved it and click and load it from there. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look at those rich tones everywhere. And you can see what I'm talking about, all the different tones. So that now nicely almost maps out the image and really targets different zones, different red values, different greens, the blues, obviously not so much, and all these kind of things. But it's just a really, really funky and something really different to get you. Maybe you're stuck in a bit of a rut and you go, oh, how do I want to, I don't know what to photograph or what. Go and visit places you've already been and give it a completely different look. That's beautiful. One click and you're done. A typical street scene, just an average neighborhood. And let's have a look. Same again. Let's go to your color lookup, load it, Aerochrome. I mean, sometimes you just need something different, don't you? And you've got it. Aerochrome in Photoshop. One click. Obviously it's not exactly the same as original, but I mean, we don't have the original available. So I've created a modern take on that Kodachrome look and to give us something really funky to play with. Look at that. Superb. So let's go to this. So you've got a portrait. Now, obviously you will need to probably brush some of the effect off on your portraits, but I've tried to allow it to not target those kind of color tones and values to a certain degree. So let's have a look. So let's just drop that in here, and there we go. Color lookup again, TPG Aerochrome. How beautiful is that? Now you can see it does spill over a little bit into the skin tone values. So the Photoshop makes it really, really easy nowadays to just go select subject. And once that loads, I'm just going to click on the mask and I'm going to grab a brush, make it nice and big. So you can use your bracket keys just to change the sizes of it. And I'll probably put it at about 50% and about sort of 50% flow as well. And I'll just zoom back to make it quick and easier. One bit of a brush, change it to black so it'll conceal the effect, and do another 10% pass on it. So there we go, you can see that's masked out now. And there was just a nice softer effect. So I've just taken some of that off of her skin tones and off the subject herself. It's beautiful, look at that. So now you could do that with portraits, you can do it with landscapes, you can do it with street photography, you can get funky with it. You could come in here now and you can always add other things to it, different adjustments. Let's just take another curves layer. Let's say you want to give a bit of a matte look, just lift it up a little, bring it back down, darken it, add a bit of contrast, and then you've got a completely different look. Obviously you can change the actual blend modes and all that type of stuff, but I just wanted to give you guys something really, really quick and easy to grab hold of. Use it, give us a like and a share and all that jazz. There'll be a link down below where you can click and get this LUT for free. It's downloaded. Make sure you share it with other people, but also, get back, check some of their videos. I've got another video, I'll probably put a card up here somewhere, where you can have a look at some of the other film look inspired actions that I've created, which you can get for free as well. But I hope you enjoy this. I hope that it makes your creative process a little more simple and it's a bit more fun to get you out and about, inspire you to go and do your photography. Don't always rely on gear and things and that type of stuff to try and get you to do, because gear's expensive. You don't want to be buying gear and go, oh, well, I'm still uninspired. So use something like this. You can add other adjustment layers to it, tweak it, change it, do what you like. It can be a really, really good thing. It's fun to do, quick and easy, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys in the next video.